God, you may think you don't have anything. And God's saying, that's great because I've got everything. And I want to give it to you. And then when you give God a chance to show up in your life, and he does, it's life-changing. Can you imagine the people that left this? They brought people that were sick and they were healed, and then they saw this little boy with just this lunch, and then all of a sudden everybody's like, woo, I'm Thanksgiving full. You know what that, right? Everybody knows that feeling, don't they? I'm Thanksgiving full. Like at Thanksgiving, I got some eating pants that I wear. They're like maternity pants. And, oh, you can do some throwing down in those things. I'm not wearing maternity pants, but I'm saying I do wear something that has elastic in it. You go from being hungry to being full. God wants to do that in every area